Hello, and welcome. Today, we're breaking down the latest guidance from the Department of the Treasury and the IRS, this time specifically for individuals who receive tips or overtime compensation. I'm here to walk you through how you can figure out the deductions you qualify for without needing anything from your employer. Let's start with tips and how deductions work when it comes to this income source. The IRS now allow you to deduct certain expenses that are directly related to earning tip income. These deductions can help you reduce your taxable income. And yes, that means lowering your overall tax bill. To do this, you'll want to look at the IRS guidelines and the forms for the specific tax year. One of the most important forms you want to be familiar with is Form 4137. This form helps you calculate the Social Security and Medicare taxes you owe on your tips. It lets you separate your tip income from the wages your employer reported, and it ensures you're paying and deducting the correct amounts. And don't forget, if you spent money to earn those tips, things like uniforms, supplies, or even transportation, many of those expenses may be deductible. Now let's talk about overtime and eligible expenses. If you worked extra hours, you may also be able to deduct certain expenses tied directly to those additional shifts. For example, meals, transportation, or other work-related costs. The key is simple: keep track of everything throughout the year. Accurate records mean accurate deductions. There are other important updates for tax year 2025, even that the IRS has increased the maximum annual deduction for tip and overtime related expenses to $2,500, which means you could potentially save more on your taxes. These deductions have income-based phase-outs, so make sure you fall within the eligibility limits before claiming the full deduction in your taxes. As a final thought, the new Treasury and IRS guidance makes it easier for anyone earning tips or overtime to determine their eligible deductions, all without needing your employer's input. By understanding the right forms and keeping good records, you can confidently claim the deductions you deserve and reduce your overall tax liability. Thank you for tuning in. And remember to stay organized, stay informed, and make the most of the tax benefits available to you.